Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Permission, Miss. Let me introduce myself. My name is Daffa Khaq, class D4 Electro Polbit, NT 07 19 10 103. In here, I will answer the question below. 1. What do you know about electrotechnology? Support your answer with the reference. Electrotechnology is an engineering discipline concerned with the study, design, and application of equipment, devices, and systems which as electricity, electronics, and electromagnetism. It emerged as an identifiable occupation in the latter half of the 19th century after commercialization of the electric telegraph, the telephone, and electrical power generation into distribution and use. Electrical engineering is now defined into a wide range of fields including computer engineering, system engineering, power engineering, telecommunication, radio frequency engineering, signal processing, instrumentation, and electronics. Many of these disciplines overlap with other engineering branches, spanning a wide number of the specializations, including hardware engineering, power electronics, electromagnetic and microwave engineering, nanotechnology, electrochemistry, renewable energies, mechatronics, and electrical material science. From Wikipedia, electrical engineers typically hold a degree in electrical engineering or electronic engineering. Practicing engineers may have professional certification and be members of a professional body or an international standard organization. This includes the International Electronical Commission, IEC, the Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers, IEEN, the Institution of Engineering and Technology, IET, formerly the IEE. Electronic engineers work in a very wide range of industries, and the skills required are likewise variable. This range from circuit theory to the management skill of a project manager. The tools and equipment that an individual engineer may need are similarly variable, ranging from a simple formatter to sophisticated design and manufacturing software. Then number 2, who is Michael Faraday? What is his contribution to the electrical system on board? Michael Faraday was the first to produce an electric current from a magnetic field. The first electric motor and dynamo. He demonstrated the relation between electricity and chemical bonding and discovered the effect of magnetism on the light. He also discovered and named diamagnetism, which is the peculiar behavior of certain substances in strong magnetic field. He provided the experimental and a good deal of the theoretical foundation upon which James Clerk Maxwell erected classical electromagnetic field theory. Early in his studies in chemistry, Faraday researched the chlorine and carbon chlorides. He later became the inventor of the early technique known as Bunsen burning. By combining air and gas before combustion, Faraday managed to find a way to reach higher temperature. Another discovery is that gas can be made into a liquid and is the principle of today is cabinet. He also discovered rotational electromagnetic. His greatest discovery was electromagnetic introduction, which is the foundation of human life in the world today. The use of electric vehicle is a must. Faraday found that variation in the magnetic field cause electricity to flow into a circuit. Previously, people were only able to regenerate electricity with batteries. Through his discovery, Faraday saw that motion that be turned into electricity on scientifically it can be explained how kinetic energy in transport into electricity. In addition, Faraday also discovered the law of electrolysis, the Faraday effect, the mechanism, and the Faraday check while researching static electricity. And then number 3. Why the electrical equipment manufacturing primarily for shore-based industries and not suitable for installation in a marine environment? Marine engineering now includes the field of offshore engineering as well as traditional seagoing ships. Those with experience in this industry generally accept that electrical equipment manufactured primarily for offshore-based industries and not suitable for installation in a marine environment, climatic condition, vibration, the continuous motion of a ship, temperature and condition of usage are all contributory factors. An overview of a ship's electrical system is present and describes various types of circuit diagram used in electrical work. Electrical calculation, safety precaution, circuit diagrams, and testing methods are outlined together with a description of general electrical maintenance and fault finding techniques. The electrical power system on board ship is designed to provide a secure supply to all loads with adequate built-in protection for the equipment and operating personnel. The general scheme of a ship electrical power system is common to nearly all ships. The main generator, sometimes called alternator, produce the electrical power. It's supplied to the main switchboard and then distributed to the various auxiliary service comprising the electrical load. An emergency generator and emergency switchboard maintenance supplies in the event of a main power failure. Thanks for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.